Hello world, this is Aryan Kashyap and your new best friend. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss the emergence of sociology. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है.
So before understanding the emergence of sociology, first of all understand what sociology is. Sociology is made up of two words, socio plus logy. Socio means companion or associate, and logy means knowledge. This term was first coined by Auguste Comte in 1838 in his first book, Positive Philosophy. Basically, sociology means it is a scientific study of human society. Now let's see how it emerged. What things happened that gave to the rise of sociology. So the social, economic, political and intellectual background of 18th century made the emergence of sociology more stronger. Firstly, it emerged in European society, due to which had its origin in Enlightenment period. What Enlightenment period means, we'll see later in this video. Something change might have happened during the 14th to 16th century, which was the root cause of the emergence of sociology. During the 18th century, or during the 16th to 18th century, three main topics were in news, that is French Revolution, Industrial Revolution and the Enlightenment period. But before these, something have happened in society, and that is the society was suffering from dark age. During the dark age, three things were usually happening. That is, first of all, superstition was at its peak. That is, people used to be superstitious. And second was less communication. Now in this world we are living in technological world. But before that, there were no technology, so the communication was very less. So, and third was the disease was was also at its peak. Now let's see what is French Revolution. French Revolution started on 14 July 1789 in Paris, that is in France. French Revolution was the first major factor for the emergence of sociology. It was a period of time in France where the people overthrew monarchy and took the central government. It lasted for 10 years from 1789 to 1799. It was led by Napoleon, and on 14 July 1789, 7,000 people gathered to protest and gone to Bastille jail, where farmers were punished, and they killed the commanders and leave all the prisoners. So 14 July 1789 was a memorable day for France people. The main reason for French Revolution was King of France, that is Louis XIV, who was 20 years old, married to a girl, Austria Queen Maria. He finished all his wealth and money and of the state of the country in wars and in maintenance of palaces, and on independence of 13 American colonies. The king helped the 13 American colonies to get independent, and in that he finished all his wealth, including what was kept for the welfare of people and on other stuffs. But this led to the emergence of French Revolution, and French Revolution gave to the emergence of sociology. After the French Revolution, the second main reason was Industrial Revolution. So what Industrial Revolution is? So let's see in this video. So Industrial Revolution it led to the transformation of Western world agrarian system to an overwhelmingly industrial one. It began around 1760 in England. It greatly changed social and economic life of England, and later spread to other countries of the world. Society moved from old age of handmade goods to new age of industrial made goods. Now the demand of goods increased since the industries were developing, so people's demand for goods also increased, which led to the discovery of new territories, exploration and growth of trade and commerce. New tools and technologies were also invented. So due to this invention, there might be some impact of Industrial Revolution in our society. So let's see. First impact was capitalism became more and more complex. The people started to invest their money on industries, on developing societies, and on extra things. Now, the second was development of banks, insurance companies, finance corporation, industrial workers, managers, capitalists emerged. The peasants found themselves with thousands of people. Open and bright countryside, they live in dirt, and production increased. So this gave to population increment, and the population increased. So the people from rural to from area people started to migrate from rural area to urban area. This led to urbanization, and so industrial cities also the population started to increase, and the industrial cities was marked by huge socio-economic distractions. Now comes the third reason for the emergence of sociology, that is the Enlightenment period. The Enlightenment period, or is also known as the Age of Reason, was a period of intellectual development which brought about significant changes in philosophical thought in Europe in 18th century. Many existing ideas and beliefs relating to social life were overthrown and replaced during this period. So many thinkers associated with the Enlightenment period were the French philosopher Charles Montesquieu and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. So I hope you understand the reason for the emergence of sociology. Thank you.